Welcome to Drops on Airline. So today we're talking about this particular testnet called the Mezo Testnet. So in this video, I'll be showing you the step-by-step on how to do this particular testnet. So you ensure you watch this video till the end. Okay. So now, if today is your first time you joining us or yet to subscribe to our new channel, please you do it to support this channel by subscribing to this channel. Okay. So this testnet is a new one for those that wish to join new testnet. So this is a new one that you can participate with. So now for introduction, this Mezo Testnet, they have raised up to $28.5 million for this airdrop so far, and then they are being backed by Pantella Capital. So it's a potential airdrop, and then it can just take just 20 minutes to complete. So now let's jump into this testnet. So just watch as I do these things. Okay, now so once you come over to this place, the link is going to be down in the description. You have to log in here. Come over here, you click on sign in. So now here we have to sign in using our MetaMask wallet. Okay, so you go down here, click on this Ethereum wallet. So now then sign in using your MetaMask wallet. Okay, so let's complete this process. Okay, so I'll just do this quickly. So now next you have to do, you have to choose a username. So just choose input your username here. Okay, I'll just choose mine now. Okay, and then once you're done with that, you then go down here, click on this, and then you create account. Okay, so you sign in there in your MetaMask wallet. So once you're done with that, then you open the app. Okay, click on this. So now that's here. We're done with the creating of account. So next we're going to do is head over to Discord page. So the link is still going to be down in the description. Just go over there, click on it. So once you come over here, first we're going to verify. Okay, so click on verify. And down here we have to input this code here. So you just go ahead and do that quickly. Okay, I'm done with this. So the next thing to do now is to head over to, it's here. So now we have to complete some tasks here. So just watch as I do these things now. So now the first one we are going to do here is that head over to this place, head over to dashboard. Okay, click on the dashboard first. So once click on dashboard, so now once come over here, click on this. Okay, and then click on it too, click on settings. Okay, and then click on X settings, click on it again. So now they're going to take us to a website for us to authorize our X account. Okay, so you just continue with this. Okay, so authorize your account. So all these things are very quite easy to do. You just have to have patience and ensure that you complete the whole process. So continue again. Okay, so we are still with it. So once you come over here, so now here you have to link your Twitter account. Okay, so come over here, click on link. So we'll be taken to our Twitter page for us to authorize. Okay, so once you do that, then you have to come back here. Okay, so see, we are done with the connection. So now head back to this place now. So for you to ensure that we have connected your account, so you have to just refresh this particular page. Okay, so let me just refresh my. So once you refresh, come over here, click on dashboard. Okay, click on settings, and then click on X settings. So it will show that you have already linked your X account. So as you can see here, I've linked my own account. So now that's the first thing we're going to do. So that's the first thing. So ensure that you do that. So the next one, we're going to head over to this place, head over to quests. So now here now we have so many quests that we have to complete. Okay, so you have to go up. So scroll up then and then start with this one. So now click on this first, and then you'll be taken to your X account. So come over here, you follow, and then you head back to that Discord page for you to verify these tasks that you just completed. So now we have to do all these things here. So there's a lot of them that we have to complete. Okay, so you just go down. Okay, claim this, and then still keep going down. So come down here, claim this as well. To then next one, do this one as well too. It will be taking you to your Twitter account for you to follow them, and then you have to do that, and then come back to here and then verify the tags that you have done, and then claim the points. Okay, so So that's what we are to do here. So there are lots of them, okay? So you ensure that you complete every single one of them, okay? Okay, so now here we are to just to retweet and then follow them. So come over here, verify. So all these things, you ensure that you complete all these tasks, because the point, you're still going to transfer the point to our main account, okay? So just watch and see how all this is being done, okay? So I think this is the last one. Okay, so now as you can see, we are done with this. Okay, so we have claimed the point as well too. So now once you're done with this, okay, next we have to do is to head over to layer one. Okay, so click on layer one. So here too, just like we did in the previous one, we have a lot of tasks we have to complete here. Okay, so we just start with the first one, taking to your Twitter page, then follow, then come back. Okay, so there are lots of account that you have to follow here. Okay, but you ensure you complete all these things. Okay, so just like I said that as you are doing this, we are being given points. Okay, some of these points we are still going to transfer it to our main Mezo account. Okay, so just watch and ensure you complete all these things. Okay, so I'll just do some and then allow it to complete the rest. Okay, all right, so as you can see, just do that and then claim all your points. Okay, so once you're done, come over to general. So here now we are to type slash trans. Okay, so once you do that, then click on this. Okay, click on it. So here you just put 1300. Okay, it's part of the point that we just accumulated. Okay, so we'll just put 13 and then head over to this your Mezo account and then copy your username. Okay, just the username. Okay, copy it and then come back to the this code and then add it here. Okay, so just put the point and then after that, then you can then enter it. Okay, so once you send this, that point is going to automatically send to your Mezo account. Okay, now as you can see here, this is my Mezo account and then the point will be sent to me. So we also come over here to transfer this part of those things to SAT. Okay, just select any amount and then you confirm. Okay, so we just convert from MAT to SAT. Okay, so do that first here. So now this the amount that we have. Okay, now once you're done with that, first we're going to do that, we're going to head over to borrow. Okay, so head over to borrow. So here we are to borrow. Okay, so we are using that SAT as collateral. Okay, so just come over here, choose any amount you want to choose. So I'll just go with first 1000. Okay, and then head down here, click on continue and complete the whole transaction. Okay, so that's the first thing you have to do. Okay, so and then complete transaction. I'm using my MetaMask account, so I'll just choose MetaMask. So now after you're done with the borrowing, okay, next we are going to do is that we're going to also repay. Okay, so you borrow and then you repay. Okay, so complete this. So now we're done with this. So now once you're done with that, just like I said, next we're going to do is head over here and ensure that you claim your point. Okay, so once you do that, you're done with that, claim your point first. Okay, so as you can see, I'm done with the claiming of the points. So now after you're done with that, next we are going to head over to here, manage, and then click on repay. Okay, so part of those money that will be borrowed initially, we're going to repay it back. Okay, so just come over here and then choose the amount you want to repay. So let me just go with 180. Okay, and then continue, click on continue. Okay, select this. Okay, and then head down, click on continue and complete the whole transaction. Okay, so that's part of what we are to do in this Mezo testnet. So here, for you to accumulate points, you have to supply. Okay, so we are using parts of that the SAT that we just converted as collateral for us to borrow. Okay, so once you borrow and then go back and then repay the amount that you borrowed. So that's basically what you have to do in this particular testnet. So now next we're going to head over to the next link, to this layer 3. So now come over here, you have to complete all these requests. Okay, they're very quite easy to do, so because part of them is what we have just done in the previous one. So just ensure that you complete all these things and then you claim your point. Okay, so that's part of what we are to do in this particular testnet. Okay, so this is the third one. Okay, apart from the Discord, the Mezo account, this is the third one you have to complete it and claim your points. So now that's all as regards answers to this particular testnet. So if you have any question, please you do it to ask there in the comment section. So if you're here to follow us, please you ensure that you follow or support our channel, like and share our video. Okay, so thank you so much, and then see you in our next video. Bye for now. Okay.